Founded in 2025, Germany. Energy.
European industry is losing competitiveness, and high electricity costs are the key driver for this. Renewable energy generation now is volatile, but industrial demand is still flat. That mismatch is why European manufacturers pay twice as much for their electricity than their competitors in the US or in China. I'm Philip, founder of FION Energy, and we fix this with batteries and AI. Batteries are actually the ideal solution for it, but industrial adoption lags. We found two blockers. First, it is too complicated to specify the right battery for each site and get it installed. Second, running the battery to maximize financial returns is almost impossible for non-battery savvy teams. We do not manufacture batteries. We make them profitable. We plan, procure, install the right battery for each factory, and once the battery is installed, our AI takes over, learning the electricity system, learning relevant electricity markets to optimize battery operations in real time. With that, industrial companies can cut up to 50% of their electricity costs, and it's actually hassle-free. We make batteries simple. Europe has 2.1 million industrial sites, yet only 1% operate a battery. That is a 160 billion euro market waiting for us. Each site brings us 27K in annual recurring revenue with a lifetime of 5 to 10 years and 60K in project margins. Our team is built to execute this. I worked for Siemens 7 years in energy and sold a B2B SaaS company as managing director. Dimitri built 7 years his own B2B SaaS company as technical co-founder to finally sell it for 50 million euros. And Johannes scaled sales in a scale-up and sells with credibility to industrials as a former mechanical engineer at Daimler. In only 3 months since we closed our pre-seed round, we already hit our 12-month sales targets by signing 4 industrial sites. Europe needs a strong industrial base, you will agree. By cutting their electricity costs 50%, we make European manufacturers win the competition globally again. So, if you manufacture in Europe, or if you want to know more, then let's talk how to turn electricity costs into a competitive edge. Thanks.